Sometimes we may be given problems with improper fractions or mixed numbers. An improper fraction can be seen as a top-heavy fraction where the numerator is larger than the denominator, and a mixed number is exactly what it says. It is a whole number mixed with a fraction. We can convert between the two in order to make calculations a little easier. If, for example, we are given an improper fraction of 7 over 5, we can convert this into a mixed number by asking how many 5s are in 7, they're 1, with 2/5 remaining. So we have a mixed number of 1 and 2/5. If we were given a mixed number of 3 1/4, we can convert this into an improper fraction by multiplying the whole number by the denominator and adding the numerator to this. If we do so, we have 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13, and we'll use this for the numerator of our new improper fraction, and we will have 13 over 4. If, for example, we are given a problem such as 1 2/3 plus 2 5/6, we can convert these mixed numbers into improper fractions, which may help make this calculation a little easier. We'll start by converting the 1 2/3. Again, if we multiply the whole number by the denominator, 1 by 3, which is 3, and add the numerator, we have an improper fraction of 5 over 3. Now we will convert the 2 5/6. Again, 2 times 6 is 12. If we add 5, that is 17 over 6 as our improper fraction. Now we have a sum of 5 over 3 plus 17 over 6. We want to make these both the same denominator in order to easily work out the answer. We know that 3 divides into 6 twice, so we'll multiply the top and bottom part of that fraction by 2 to get 10 over 6. Now we have 10 over 6 add 17 over 6, which will give us 27 over 6 as an improper fraction. Now we could leave this here, but depending on the question we may be asked to convert this into a mixed number. If we do so, we will ask how many 6s are in 27. There are 4, and 24, which are 24, so our whole number will be 4, and we will have 3/6 left. We could leave this as 4 3/6, however we could also simplify the fraction of 3/6 to 1/2. So our final answer here will be 4 1/2. Now there are different ways to convert between improper fractions and mixed numbers. This is just one of them, and I do think this does make it a little easier. Now I hope that helps and you know a little bit more about mixed numbers and improper fractions.
Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.